Hello children, today we are going to complete the exercise for the chapter The Selfish Giant. The question is, what notice did the giant put up in the garden? What notice did the giant put up in the garden? After returning from his aunt's house, the giant found the children playing. So he put up the notice in the garden. Then within quote you have to write, trespassers will be prosecuted. Trespassers will be prosecuted. That one you have to write here. Next. Why could not the children play on the road? Now this one, the children could not play on the road since the road was quite busy. The road was quite busy, so the children could not play on the road. Now these are to be written using one word next or one sentence. Why did the birds not care to sing in the garden even in the spring? Even in the spring. So what should we write for this one? The giant blocked the children to enter his garden. The children full stop. The garden became very sad place. So the birds did not care to sing in the garden even in the spring because the garden was lacking happiness. Next, who rattled on the roof of the giant's castle? What is the result of this rattling? Now, if you look at your book, then you will find, let us open that very part. Now, as we are discussing, it is written here. The north wind. What the north wind did? Not north wind. We must ask the hail to visit. Hail. So the hail came every day for 3 hours. He rattled the roof of the giant's castle. So who rattled the roof of the castle? The wind. Sorry, the hail. The hail rattled the castle. Okay, that one is done. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So who rattled the roof of the giant? It should be, the answer should be who? The answer should be the hail. Next. How did autumn deprive the giant? Okay. The season of autumn provides golden fruit, that means ripe fruits, to every garden. But to giant, it gave nothing. So in this way, autumn deprived whom? The giant. What happened when the linnet started singing one morning? Okay, here you go. When the linnet started singing one morning, the giant thought the queen's musicians were passing by. And further, he found the music, the song of the linnet, to be the most beautiful song in the world. Next, what did the giant want to do to the person who wounded the little boy? Now many words can be written. This one write in your own words and write that the giant wanted to beat the person who wounded the little boy. Next, answer this question with the reference to the context. And I will not allow anybody to play in it. Who is I in the given extract? In the given extract, I stands for the giant, Cornice Ogre. Why does he say that he will not allow anybody to play? The giant was a selfish one and he considered the garden as his own property and he did not want anybody to play in it. Now children, you can pause the video to write these answers properly. Okay, pause and you can repeat also. Next, why were the children not allowed to play? It is almost the same question, just like B. Just write down, the giant, being selfish, did not want anybody to enter his garden. So, the children were not allowed to play. Name any three things that turned beautiful when the children came to play. One is the tree, second one the flower, and the third one is the fruits. The third one are the fruits. So these are the three things. What was done to ensure the children should not be allowed inside? A wall was built to ensure the children should not enter inside. What was done? A wall was built and a poster was pasted that the trespassers will be prosecuted. Next, it was really only a little linnet sitting outside the window. Why did the bird song sounded so sweet? The bird song sounded so sweet because the giant did not hear the bird singing for a long period of time. What association did the giant make when he heard the sweet music of the bird? The giant made the association that it might be the king's musicians passing by. What did he observe soon after the bird started singing? The giant observed that the hail started dancing, the wind stopped, the hail stopped dancing, the wind stopped roaring, and finally a beautiful smell or fragrance entered through the window. What did the giant say and do? The giant said that the spring had come at last, and he jumped out of his bed and went to the window. What melted the giant's heart? The giant's heart got melted as he thought that how selfish he had been, as he did not allow the children to enter into his garden and play. Nick, the giant ran into the garden in great joy. What was the cause for the great joy? When the giant saw the children playing in the garden, that caused a great joy and made him run into the garden. What beautiful sight did he notice at the farthest corner of the garden? The beautiful sight that the giant noticed at the farthest corner of the garden was that the little boy whom he loved so much was sitting. What made giant angry? Finding the little boy wounded. The giant became very angry. What did the visitor tell the giant? The visitor, especially the boy, was the incarnation, was the avatar of God himself, the Christ himself. And he told the giant that the wounds in his body are the wounds of love. Next, E. Why do you think there were prints of 2 nails on the child's palms and feet? Here the child is the representation of Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ was crucified, and his hands and feet, his palms and feet were marked with nails. Here the little child is having the same mark of nails on his palm and his feet. Now that playing with word, that very part no need to do, since no question will come from that, because basically this is related to the grammar part, language part, and we will have language exam for that one. So up to that much what is done, that to be covered properly. Thank you children.